Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rev Moto Garage. Got our Kawasaki Z650. Here we're gonna be installing some spool sliders today for our new motorcycle stands that we purchased. And I'll be doing a video on those as well, just to show you what I got, where you can get it, how to put them together if you don't have any experience. I enjoy making these videos for you guys. Been getting a lot of support as I make more and more videos. I enjoy doing it. I enjoy helping everybody, even if it's something that's simple or more difficult to install. If you don't have any experience doing it, these things really do help. I find that I've referenced a lot in the past to make things easier for myself. But these spool sliders are really pretty simple. I already ripped open the package to eliminate everybody needing to hear the plastic on the video. But they're actually from Amazon. About 23 bucks. Not bad little product here. Aluminum, very nice. I have all the confidence that these will hold very well. And the motorcycle stands that I got were pretty nice too, about 70 bucks for the set. I got some good reviews. I'll be sure to include the link for these in the video description, but really you just got your bolt and the two-piece spool put together, and in case you're wondering, that little hole right there, which is threaded, is actually where you're going to install these. And the only thing that you're gonna need is 6mm Allen key. So let's go ahead and get them in there real quick. Tighten them up real good. Don't have to worry about that for a while. Some maybe, unless you think you may want to take them off at some point for whatever reason. You can put some Loctite in there. On this side, same deal. Just gonna pop it right in there. Hand start it. Always like to do that and make sure you don't cross thread anything, because if you do that on here, you might as well forget putting these on. Tighten it up good. And that's it. There you have it, guys. The spools are on. Appreciate you watching. Thanks for tuning in, Rev Moto Garage. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Have an awesome day.